Welcome to the data stage class. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about compact white space. So it is one of the transformation functions. So we are in the process of learning transformation functions in data stage transformer stage. Okay. So now we will be discussing about compact white space. What is the purpose of this function? Okay. So now let's see our source data. So I have a source data like this. So data stage is the best ETL tool. Okay. So if you see here, we have two spaces. Okay. How to remove the extra spaces in our data. Okay. So to achieve, to remove unnecessary spaces, extra spaces in our data. So we have a function called compact white space in string functions in data stage transformer stage. So here let's read the source data. So let me close this file. So I'm closing this file. So now already job has been designed here. So let's view the source data. Let's view the data. So here you can see two spaces, right? So how to remove the extra spaces here? Okay. So click on OK. So double click on transformer stage. So here I'm reading the data, whatever it is coming from source. And I have created a new column, white space removal. Okay. So here, let's how to define this. Now, click on derivation, go to functions. Okay. So enlarge it, go to string, and we can see here compact white space and provide the input string. So what is our input string? Data, right? Okay. So now click on OK. Now save this job, compile this job. So let's delete the target files. So job compilation got completed. Now we can see here, we are creating a new file in C drive target folder. Okay. So now run this job. Once the job gets completed, it will be in a green color and file will be created here automatically. Yeah, so file started creating. So job is still running in progress. In target, I have added a header. Okay, so the first line will be the metadata. Still running. Yeah, so now it got completed. Now you can see the green color. Okay. So now what you can do is the file has created here. So now you can see the data. Okay. So I'm maximizing the screen. So you can see here. So we have two spaces, right? The first column is data that is coming from source as it is. If you see the removal, white space removal. So you can see here, only one space. Okay, so extra space has been removed, one space. one space, one space. So the extra space has been removed here. Okay. So this function will work to remove the extra space in our data, in our string data. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. So if you are looking for any data stage training on job support, you can text me in the given WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye.